Hello guys, this is Ikem and you're welcome to my channel. Alright, so if you're highly excited about my trainings and my tutorials, please I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay, and also click on the notification bell, okay, so you don't have to miss out on any of my reviews or any of my bonus tutorials or any of my hacks. Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to shop smartly. All right, how to shop smartly. What do I mean by shopping smartly? That means I mean that you can do all your online shopping, all right, at a reduced price. You don't really have to search the entire web, okay, getting cheap products, all right, getting a subsidized product that you can use, all right. But I'm going to show you something that you can actually put in your PC, download an extension in your PC, and it does the searching for you, all right. So it searches the entire web and gets you the very best product at a very reasonable and affordable price, all right. So if you're excited about this, I want you to delve in with me as we go straight into the tutorials, all right. All right guys, over here you can see this honey over here, right? Yes, so honey, it's the extension that you're going to be downloading in your PC, and when you download this Chrome extension, the honey, it does what? It searches the entire web and it gets the very best and affordable price of your product, okay, and services that you would really love to use, right? So what honey does is it gives back your result in form of a coupon code, okay, coupon codes, and you can apply these coupon codes in getting your product. So by the time you apply the coupon codes, it slashes down the price of whatever it is that you want to buy from the original price to the coupon price code, okay. So but if you do not know this, you go ahead not applying the coupon code, and you get it at a very high price. All right, so let's get straight into downloading this honey Chrome extension to our PC. So the first thing how you can do it is you can go to your Google and type honey Chrome extension. All right, so it opens up this page, this first page, this first link that says honey for Chrome. You just click over it, right, and it should open up some kind of checkbox, and you should see somewhere. If you don't have it, it will check, but I already have the Chrome extension downloaded on my, so you will just see remove from Chrome. So if you click on what it's supposed to be here, if you do not have the honey Chrome extension, you see check for Chrome, so you just click over it and it should just download that extension. So if you can see it over here, the honey, right, so I already have it. So next thing to do is, after getting the honey Chrome extension, you can go over to joinhoney.com. Just joinhoney.com, and here you can search for your product. Let's say I need a shoe, okay. I'll just type the shoe and load it up, and it should load up some kind of shoe stuffs and all that. Okay, so over here we have shoe the bear. Wow, with one coupon. Over here we have shoe market NYC, we have shoeniverse and shoe trading, okay. We have shoe gallery Miami. So let's just go over this shoe market NYC and see the coupon code that it comes with. Okay, you see one active coupon, and you should just click on it, and you see it's 10% off. You can go over and say get some coupon. Okay, so you should get to copy the coupon code. All right, so you're seeing the coupon code as fresh 18. So we're going to copy it first of all and close it. Now go over to the official site of the shoe of the shoe company. Okay, so let's we already have a coupon, so we can now go about looking for a shoe, that of male or female, any of that. Wow, this it's a wonderful sandals. Okay, all right, so I have this one, this contact leather, whatever shoe, just any product of your choice, just click on it. So I'm clicking on this contact leather. Okay, so this is it. All right, so I'll just add it to the cart. All right, let's just add it first of all to the cart. Now go over to the checkout. Okay, you can click on the checkout. Click on the checkout. Now apply the coupon code. So we just paste that coupon code that we copied. All right, so we apply it. So we're trying to apply the coupon code, and it's testing the code. Okay, finishing up, and let's see what we got. Okay, so it says 90% off. Okay, so with this, now you saved yourself $10, so you can pretty much with this get serious coupon codes, like as much as even 50% off. All right, so this is how you can apply the coupon codes to get your products at a very very cheap and affordable price. All right, so I feel, if you feel that this this tutorial was helpful and you've learned something that you can apply getting a coupon codes that could help you to shop smartly, I want you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay, and click on the notification bell. This is Ike from C7 Online Marketing Masters.com, a product review and an affiliate marketer. All right, and also a bonus, a tutorial master, because I'll be coming your way with tons and tons of tutorials, wonderful tutorials that would wow you. So I want you to stay tuned, and thanks for watching, and see you soon.